The landscape of education is undergoing a profound transformation, driven by the relentless advance of technology. Traditional chalkboards and textbooks are increasingly sharing the stage with interactive whiteboards, educational apps, and online learning platforms. This digital revolution presents both exciting opportunities and crucial challenges for students and educators alike. Technology offers unprecedented access to information. Fostering a dynamic and engaging learning environment, students can explore subjects in greater depth, access diverse resources, and collaborate with peers in new and innovative ways. Interactive simulations and virtual field trips bring learning to life, captivating students' imaginations and fostering a deeper understanding of complex concepts. However, the integration of technology in education is not without its pitfalls. The constant barrage of notifications, social media updates, and online distractions can hinder focus and impede deep learning. Striking a balance between digital engagement and focused learning is crucial for success in the modern educational landscape. Learning a new language has never been more accessible. Language learning apps offer a convenient way to acquire new vocabulary, practice grammar, and improve pronunciation. Platforms like Duolingo, Babbel, and Rosetta Stone provide interactive lessons and gamified challenges. Duolingo's gamified approach makes learning fun and accessible. Babbel focuses on practical conversational skills. Rosetta Stone emphasizes immersion with images and audio. These apps make language learning accessible and convenient. Science, technology, engineering, and mathematics, STEM fields, are increasingly important in today's world. Technology offers resources for students to explore and excel in these disciplines. Platforms like Khan Academy, Wolfram Alpha, and Code Academy provide interactive tutorials and practice exercises. These tools empower students to learn at their own pace and develop critical thinking skills. By leveraging technology, students gain a deeper understanding of STEM concepts and develop essential skills. Integrating educational apps and tools into daily study routines requires careful planning and mindful execution. Simply downloading an app is not enough. Students must develop strategies for using these tools effectively to maximize their learning potential. Creating a structured study plan, setting realistic goals, and tracking progress are essential for successful app integration. Start by identifying specific learning goals and selecting apps that align with those objectives. For example, if a student is struggling with algebra, Khan Academy's algebra tutorials and practice exercises would be a valuable resource. Once the appropriate apps have been selected, it's essential to integrate them into a structured study schedule. Allocate specific time slots for app-based learning and stick to the schedule consistently. Avoid multitasking and minimize distractions during these dedicated study periods to ensure maximum focus and concentration. Regularly track progress and assess the effectiveness of the chosen apps. Section 5. Balancing the digital equation, focus, and productivity. The digital age presents a unique challenge, balancing the benefits of technology with the potential for distraction. The constant stream of notifications, social media updates, and online entertainment can easily derail focus and impede productivity. Developing strategies for managing digital distractions is crucial for maximizing the benefits of technology while minimizing its downsides. One effective strategy is to create dedicated focus zones, physical spaces free from digital distractions. These zones can be designated study areas, libraries, or even quiet corners in a coffee shop. Another helpful technique is to practice time boxing, allocating specific time slots for different tasks and adhering to those schedules rigorously. Utilize website blockers and app timers to limit access to distracting websites and apps during designated study periods. By proactively managing digital distractions, students can reclaim their focus and maximize their learning potential. Tech-powered learning in action. Students leverage technology for remarkable academic success. Real-life examples show tech's transformative potential. One student found Duolingo's gamified approach effective. She achieved fluency in a year. Another student used Code Academy to learn coding. He developed his own software applications. A group researched climate change using online tools. These stories highlight tech's power to personalize learning and empower students. Section 7. Cultivating critical thinking in the digital age. The abundance of information available online presents both opportunities and challenges for developing critical thinking skills. While the internet provides access to a wealth of knowledge, it also exposes learners to misinformation, bias, and manipulative content. Students must develop the ability to evaluate information critically, questioning its source, purpose, and potential biases. They should learn to identify logical fallacies, recognize propaganda techniques, and distinguish between evidence-based arguments and unsubstantiated claims. Encouraging students to engage in respectful online discussions and debates can help them hone their critical thinking skills. By engaging with diverse perspectives and challenging their own assumptions, students can develop a deeper understanding of complex issues and refine their ability to construct well-reasoned arguments. Educators can play a vital role in fostering critical thinking by incorporating media literacy lessons into their curricula. Section 8. Empowering Educators. Tech as a Teaching Ally. Technology offers educators a powerful toolkit for enhancing instruction, personalizing learning, and fostering student engagement. From interactive whiteboards and online learning platforms to assessment tools and communication apps, technology can transform the classroom into a dynamic and interactive learning environment. Interactive whiteboards allow teachers to create engaging multimedia presentations, incorporate interactive exercises, and facilitate collaborative learning activities. Online learning platforms provide access to a vast library of educational resources, enabling teachers to supplement their instruction with interactive tutorials, videos, and simulations. Assessment tools provide real-time feedback on student performance, allowing teachers to identify areas where students are excelling and areas where they may need additional support. By embracing technology as a teaching ally, educators can create richer, more engaging, and ultimately more effective learning experiences for their students. Section 9. The Future of Learning, a Tech-Integrated Landscape. The future of learning is inextricably linked to the continued evolution of technology. Emerging technologies like artificial intelligence, virtual reality, and augmented reality hold immense potential for transforming the educational landscape. Artificial intelligence can personalize learning experiences, adapting to individual student needs and pacing. Virtual reality can create immersive learning environments, transporting students to different time periods, places, and even inside the human body. Augmented reality can overlay digital information onto the real world, enhancing learning experiences and providing real-time feedback. These emerging technologies hold the promise of creating even more engaging, personalized, and effective learning experiences. As technology continues to evolve, it is essential for educators and students to embrace a spirit of lifelong learning and adapt to the changing demands of the digital age. Section 10. Navigating the Digital Maze. Responsible App. Usage. The abundance of educational apps and tools can be overwhelming. Students must develop the ability to navigate this digital maze responsibly, selecting apps that align with their learning goals and using them in a way that enhances, rather than hinders, their learning. It's essential to be mindful of the time spent using apps and to avoid excessive screen time. Setting limits on app usage and incorporating regular breaks from digital devices can help to maintain a healthy balance and prevent digital fatigue. Students should also be aware of the privacy implications of using different apps and take steps to protect their personal information. By using apps responsibly and mindfully, students can harness their power to enhance learning while mitigating potential downsides. Section 11. A Call to Action. Embrace the power of tech-enhanced learning. Technology offers unprecedented opportunities to transform the learning experience, making it more engaging, personalized, and effective. Students and educators alike are encouraged to embrace the power of tech-enhanced learning and explore the vast array of apps and tools available. Students are urged to take ownership of their learning by exploring different apps, integrating them into their study routines, and discovering how technology can help them achieve their academic goals. Educators are encouraged to embrace technology as a teaching ally, using it to enhance their instruction, personalize learning, and create a more dynamic and engaging classroom environment. By embracing a balanced approach to technology, cultivating digital literacy skills, and prioritizing mindful app usage, students and educators can unlock the transformative potential of tech-enhanced learning. The future of learning is here, and it is powered by technology.